Now we can learn about psychometric analysis software. So you can, as you see on your screen, this is our psychometric analysis software created by ASHRAE. So this psychometric analysis software help us to understand all psychometric properties very easily. So this is very user friendly tool. So at the top of this top of screen you see this is toolbar menu. So this toolbar menu having different menus for various tasks. So you can with the help of this you can save, open, save your charts, pdfs, etc. You can analyze, you can use different buttons in this analysis menu. This is notes menu, this is tools menu. You get different tools. This is view menu, this is language menu, you can select language. And this is setting menu, you can set your chart. So this top is basically toolbar menus. So next, below this toolbar menu, this section is used, this section having is used for load data files. And you can you can open different files, and all you can print your file, you can save as file. So here you see this is used for saving your chart, this is for save your report. So these in this portion you see this is basically psychometric analysis. So these are different tools that are used for psychometric analysis and used in this psychometric analysis. So this section, in this section we can set standard over a unit like standard international unit. It may be IP units. You can set your calculation in SI units. So from this portion you can zoom in, zoom out. All these things are done here. The most interesting feature in this software is this side shown inside. So when you move your cursor anywhere in the point, you in this anywhere in this chart, all psychometric properties are shown here. Let's suppose here you see we can move our cursor at this point. So you see at the top, dry bulb temperature which is 91.4 is shown, wet bulb temperature, relative humidity, specific volume which is 14.3, humid enthalpy which is 42. Similarly we have dew point temperature is 74. All are shown on here on this side. So you move your point, your cursor on this chart, and at each point values are shown. So this is basics of this psychometric analysis tool.